In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your deleted apps on your iPhone. So what you're going to want to do is go over to your App Store. And then from here, you want to click on your actual icon at the top right corner to go to your specific profile. And then here you see it has to deal with your iCloud account, really not your phone per se. So you just want to click where it says Apps. And these are all the apps that you have currently on your phone or what you've installed over time. But then there's a section here that says at the very top, it says not on this iPhone. So you want to click on not on this iPhone, and these are apps that you've had throughout all of your iPhones that are linked to your actual iCloud account. So you could easily go through and just reinstall some of these apps by clicking on them and then just re-downloading it really easily if you wanted something back on your phone. But this is a good way to find apps that you've deleted and to go back and try and find them and to reinstall them on your phone. And like I said before, this is not for your specific current iPhone. It's more for your entire iCloud history of all the apps that you've ever downloaded. So I hope this helps, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy tips on your iPhone.